The Infiniti PR503F car speakers deliver a surprisingly full and balanced sound for their size, with clear vocals and tight, controlled bass that make daily driving more enjoyable. Their woofer design offers a larger effective cone area than many competitors, so mid-bass notes have extra punch and presence without needing a powerful amplifier. The edge-driven silk dome tweeters handle high frequencies smoothly, bringing out detail in cymbals and voices without sounding harsh or fatiguing on long trips. A compact frame and thoughtful mounting hardware make these speakers straightforward to install in factory locations, even in vehicles with limited door depth. The vented basket and cooling-focused motor structure help the speakers run reliably at higher listening levels, reducing the risk of thermal stress over time. With careful tuning that follows Infiniti's familiar sound character and a clean, understated black aesthetic, the PR503F Pair feels both refined and well-matched to modern car interiors.